Hey, I'm Jeremy Ashburn. I've got Todd Weaver with me and with PowerHouse Wi-Fi. Todd, how are you?
Hey, Jeremy.
So today we're bringing up some of the common questions, and one of the things you and I were just talking about was that you come home from work and you watching TV or you're using the internet or whatever, and suddenly the internet slows way down. And it's your son or daughter who've come home, and if it's a son, they're probably gaming, and or maybe someone is in another area of your house watching TV, and your internet slows down, or your Wi-Fi is slowing down. You
Mhm.
don't know the difference. What do you
Right.
do? What do you do in a situation like that?
Yeah, Jeremy, there's a couple of things. First, we recommend at least 25 megabits per second download, preferably 50. So if you look at your bill and you find out what you're paying for every person in the house, you need at least 25 to 50 megabit down. There's several plans that are even better than that. That are also affordable. That's even better. But yes, if you're trying to just use the little black box from the internet service provider, chances are it's going to slow down tremendously. So luckily at Powerhouse Wi-Fi we can fix that, but through our solution. But the first thing you have to do is make sure that you've got enough throughput coming into the house at all.
Right. And so once you have that, so if you have like 50 or say 100 down or
Mhm.
wherever, and then your internet is slowing down, it's really not your internet in that situation, it's your Wi-Fi. And your
Exactly.
Wi-Fi has to be kind of configured.
Mhm.
So that's kind of what you do, or that's exactly what you do.
It is what I do. What I do is I put access points in strategic locations around the house, so every user uh, has an equal access to the internet. The fact that Junior is watching Netflix or gaming does not prevent Dad from getting his work done. That kind of thing.
Got it. Definitely. So if you want to learn more, you could call Todd at the 214-862-3363, or just go to powerhousewifi.com. A lot of documentation on there explaining the whole process. And then you'll come out to someone's house for a free consultation.
That's right.
Right.
That's really the best way to do it.
Definitely. So he can come out to your location, look at everything, and give you an estimate of how to solve the problem. But after it's solved, generally speaking, your Wi-Fi, or always your Wi-Fi, will be strong everywhere in your house, and your internet will be strong. So he'll take care of everything. So thanks a lot, Todd.
Thanks, Jeremy.